Atiku Abubakar stripped of his Waziri Adamawa title. Welcome, country people, to Sinok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. It go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The Adamawa State Governor, Ahmadu Umaru Fintiri, don strip former Vice President Atiku Abubakar of im revered traditional title of Waziri Adamawa, and this directive also affect other prominent title holders. Although the official reason wey government give na say Atiku Abubakar no be indigene of Adamawa, but the decision people believe say e dey come from the quarrel wey in dey between the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar and the Governor Umaru Fintiri. Atiku removal, they believe say na calculated move to weaken im political influence for the state. Una go recall say this issue of Atiku not being a Nigerian, e don come up for 2021 when the federal government during Ahmadu Buhari time e take Atiku go court. You go recall say the then Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami SAN, he come tell the Federal Court for Abuja say the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar e no dey constitutionally eligible to vie for presidency. The AGF come tell the court say Atiku no be Nigerian by birth. He say the former Vice President who hometown na Jada, na formerly a part of Northern Cameroon, come acquire Nigerian citizenship because of the plebiscite wey they hold for 1961. Malami come argue that time say because they not born am a Nigerian and he not get Nigerian parents, then he not meet the provision of the Nigerian Constitution. They come argue that time say Atiku not be fit and proper person to be candidate for election to the office of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That one happened because Atiku that time they challenge President Muhammadu Buhari for that election when Buhari take defeat am. Now the thing that they play back again to this 2027 election when e dey the offing. The story that they come up say Atiku not be from Adamawa, and this latest move, so the government of Fintiri, e come communicate am for circular when the date June 20, 2025, and when one Mrs. Adama Felicity Maman, Permanent Secretary, Department of Chieftaincy Affairs under the Ministry for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, the circular come talk say following the creation of new chiefdoms for the state by the Executive Governor of Adamawa State, Right Honorable Ahmadu Umaru Fintiri, he say I dey directed to tell you say all the kingmakers and council members for the state must be indigene of their chiefdoms. He say example, all kingmakers and council members from Adamawa Emirate Council must be indigene of Yola South, Yola North, Gire, Mayo Bewa, Song, and Zumo districts, while those of Mubi Emirate Council must be indigene of Mubi North, Mubi South, vis-a-vis all Emirates / traditional councils for the state. The directive can effectively disqualify Atiku Abubakar, a native of Jada local government area under the Ganye chiefdom, from holding a title within the Adamawa Emirate Council, where the Waziri title belong. The Waziri Adamawa, they traditionally regard them as the second most senior title for Adamawa Emirate. It is directly subordinate to the Lamido of Adamawa. Following the 2023 elections, where both Atiku and Fintiri contest under the People's Democratic Party, Atiku for president and Fintiri for governor, their alliance since does break down. Atiku's recent involvement for opposition talks with Aishatu Binani, an Adamawa indigene, many people don dey cite am say na im dey cause this quarrel between Atiku and the governor. Aishatu Dahiru Ahmed, wey dem know very well as Aisha Binani, na Nigerian politician and entrepreneur from Adamawa State. She be senator for Adamawa Central from 2019 to 2023. She be also chief for the Adamawa Emirate Council. However, for 2023, she contest the gubernatorial election for Adamawa State against Fintiri. And Fintiri, of course, he win that election. Now there, now the challenge come between the two indigenes. And now, as Atiku come dey fraternize with Aishatu Binani, the governor come feel say na the best time to exact a pound of flesh on the former vice president. And this one, it don cascade also to the fight between Atiku and President Bola Tinubu, as Atiku now dey lead the coalition movement against the president to unseat am. And this move now, e go affect Atiku politically, as the same issue when it come up during Buhari time go come up again. Say Atiku no be native born of Nigeria, and as such, in quest to come rule Nigeria for this current time and age, na misnomer. That na one bad side of politics, that if you want to know who you truly be, go play politics. All your secrets, e go come to the open. Country people, we never hear the response of Atiku to this latest drama. So make we dey watch, make we dey see who go laugh last, and whether this one go affect the coalition movement.